In this video about the JavaScript version of MathGraph, I show you how to create a parabola with cursors. First, we check the level of use with this tool, and we choose Advanced Level without complex numbers. Then we use this tool to create a new figure with frame or normal. Okay. And now with this tool, I click on the top left corner of the figure and I choose to create a cursor with big size, cursor with step, with graduations, mini value -2, maxi value 2, step of cursor 0.1, step of graduation 0.5, name of the calculation A, starting string A equals 2. Okay. Now I create a second cursor under the first one, big size, with step, with graduations, mini value -5, maxi value 5, step of cursor 1, step of graduation 5, name of the calculation alpha, starting string, I use Greek and I click on this icon, equals 2. Okay. And now a third one, always this tool, under the second cursor, big size, with step, with graduations, mini value -5, maxi value 5, step of cursor 1, step of graduation 5, name of the calculation beta, starting string, I use this button, equals 2. Okay. Now I activate the blue color and I expand this toolbar and I choose this icon, function, name of the function f, formula a times parenthesis x minus alpha plus beta. And I validate. So I made a mistake, I forgot a square sign, so I use this tool, modify numerical objects. I double click or I click on the modify button and I add this sign. Okay. Now I want to display the formula of my function in a LaTeX display. So I expand this toolbar and choose this tool, LaTeX display. I click on the figure. LaTeX code. ForSimp is a special LaTeX code of MathGraph displaying the formula simplified. You can see the preview of the display in this part of the dialog box. Let's check this checkbox. Now, if I move my cursors, I see my formula. And the formula is simplified. For instance, if A equals 0, the formula is this one. If A equals 1, the formula simplified is this one. This is a very powerful feature of MathGraph. Now I want to create the summit of my parabola. So first I activate the red color, I expand this toolbar and I choose to use this tool, point through coordinates. Name S. With this tool I can move the name of the point. 2 more points by coordinates. Now I activate the dotted line style and I create with this tool 2 segments. Now I show you how to move a cursor. By default, the extremities of my cursor were pinned down, so I have to pin them up with this tool. point, and I click on the left extremity and on the right extremity. Okay, now with the capture tool I can move this point to get a bigger cursor and this point to move it. When I'm finished, I can pin down the extremities. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy MathGraph.